In this video, we'll walk you through how to connect Salesflare with Xero, ensuring your CRM and accounting software work seamlessly together. By the end, you'll have a better understanding of both platforms and how this integration can save you a lot of time managing your sales and finances. First, let's talk about Salesflare. It's a smart CRM built specifically for small to medium-sized businesses. What sets Salesflare apart is its ability to automate much of the manual data entry, saving you time and ensuring you have accurate information at your fingertips. It integrates well with various tools like Google Workspace, Outlook, and Xero, making it a powerful tool for streamlining your operations. Now, let's dive into connecting Salesflare with Xero. The process is simple but crucial for keeping your customer relationship management and financial systems in sync. This integration will allow you to seamlessly push customer data, invoices, and payment information between the two systems. It eliminates the need to manually enter data into Xero from Salesflare, ensuring your accounting is always up to date. To start, you'll need to log into your Salesflare account and go to the Integrations section under the Settings. Once there, search for Xero and click on the Integration option. You'll be prompted to log into your Xero account. After logging in, you'll be asked to grant permission for Salesflare to access your Xero account. Make sure to authorize this, as it allows Salesflare to sync data between the two platforms. Once connected, you'll have the option to set up what data you want to sync. For instance, you can sync invoices, customer details, or payments. This flexibility lets you tailor the integration to your business's needs. For example, if you only want Salesflare to send customer details to Xero without syncing the financial transactions, you can easily set that up. You'll also want to map the fields in Salesflare to corresponding fields in Xero. This ensures that the data flows correctly between both systems. Don't worry, it's a straightforward process with Salesflare's step-by-step guide. By syncing Salesflare with Xero, you'll gain real-time insights into your financials without having to jump between systems. Salesflare automatically pulls in the latest customer data and financial info, so you can focus on what really matters, growing your business. To wrap up, connecting Salesflare with Xero is a powerful way to automate and streamline your business processes. If you're new to either of these tools, I highly recommend exploring how they can work together to make your sales and accounting workflow more efficient. And the best part? You can use this software completely free from the first link in the description below, with exclusive bonuses to help you get started. As I mentioned earlier, the integration between Salesflare and Xero can save you countless hours of manual data entry and ensure that your sales and financial data are always accurate. Make sure you check out the link below for an exclusive extended free trial so you can experience this integration firsthand and see how much time it can free up in your day-to-day operations. Don't miss out on this great opportunity to streamline your business. Click the link below to get started with your free trial today.